stop for the Mustang. Ryan's in the car, going to see Peyton at her party. She's out there getting everything ready. Wow, we're doing 50 plus miles an hour for the first time. We got the old man chasing us, the F-150, because we're doing hot rod stuff. He's always around, plus his granddaughter's graduation party day, of course. Grandma will be coming soon. Yeah, it's amazing.
That's money.
Yeah, it's just like, for a car that's sat in a backyard for legitimately 38 years, set on my lid for 2, and here it is 40 years later, maybe 43 years later, I guess, because it was 79 was wrecked. Smelling something there.
Yeah, I think it's a lot too.
We're smelling something, we're not sure what that is.
Rubber. I don't know if that's that belt getting more, or...
I don't know. We're gonna pull over and see what we got. Well, yeah, we just pulled over, we're rolling again. The emergency brake was pulled out a little bit, and the brakes were hanging up, so my fault on that. So, yeah, it looks like we got plenty of clearance, even with like 8 gallons in the tank. Those tires are a little big on the back. They're the 225 60-15s. They're kind of close to the quarter panels, but we're looking good there. We haven't rubbed yet, so we're doing great so far. The cars are doing amazing. We're excited. Life is good, so we're gonna probably swap halfway there and let Ryan get behind the wheel and check it out. All right, we're at the gas stop. Ryan's jumping in.
Here we go.
Get the old floor patch all. We patched the floor on top of the carpet, which is kind of, maybe it's a new thing. We're starting a new trend. I don't know,
yeah.
But we painted it black so it wouldn't look so bad.
You don't have to feather that at all. I keep on going for the blinker.
I know, it's hard.
On the daily.
Well, she got hot on the way here. Just kicking out of the overflow too for some reason. Not sure if the thermostat's closed. Yeah, I think so. So I'm not sure why it's getting hot, but maybe because all that celebrating how great it was running, we were just, this is awesome. That's how it usually goes. So we'll have to see. I don't know. Thermostats usually don't stick closed; they stick open. But anyway, yeah. So interesting to see how this plays out, especially because the radiator it's a newer radiator too. So that was good. But she's hot. So more to come on that. And your key is in front of the shifter.
Are you guys gonna stand outside the car to get these pictures?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That. I think they had visions of heading down the highway.
I have fun. I mean,
Just gonna go on your channel thing?
It's south of Omaha speed, yeah.
Okay. Because my dad will want to see it. I'm trying to learn how to do Photoshop. We can do it. It's not having the buttons I talk about.
Sure.
Where's your hand? Have fun driving. I'm gonna go get the girls ready for gymnastics.
which key are you using?
Oh, there's no seatbelt.
Yeah, there is. Brand new ones.
I have it over.
Yeah, there's no shoulder belts. Okay, you know how to look at things.
Right?
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
give it 2 pumps.
Get the house.
Okay.
Try and paint the house.
Okay.
I can't believe she's dragging us.
Not that much, but there's a little dead spot. Just go ahead and touch the brakes real quick so you can get used to it. Come to a full stop and see how it feels.
Okay.
Okay. Take a left. Put in park. Oh, you didn't have turn down.
Okay, to recap, we made it to the graduation party. She got to drive off in the car, which was awesome. That was the goal. A lot of scrambling, a lot of late nights, a lot of hard work to get that to happen today. So truly blessed on that. She had a great time. The car is still running with a stumble, so it's a little difficult for her to drive. The carburation gets that hesitation. You kind of got to lift and feather a little bit. So she's struggling a bit with that, but I need to get it fixed, right? So that's something we need to do. Probably rebuild the carburetor. The car had sat for 43 years, but the carburetor on this motor came off another motor that I heard run and ran, but that motor had sat for 20 years, and then so the carburetor needs to be rebuilt, not just the accelerator pump added. So work towards that. Lots of other things to do as well too. We jimmy rigged the brake lights last night to get them working, just to have brake lights, so none of the other lights work except for maybe the blinkers, which I'm confused about that. Half the fuse panel's dead for some reason. The top half is off. I don't know, it could be the light switch. I was kind of reading a little bit online. So more to come on that. Got to put shocks on it. Sway bars, probably our next project. The wheels lips kind of hit the tires a little bit when you go over big bumps with especially somebody in the back seat. So got to probably roll those fender lips. So anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate you. We'll catch you next time on South Omaha Speed. Tell your neighbors and friends. Thank you.